Setting up Docker for MindsDB. What is MindsDB? MindsDB is a new technology that automates and abstracts machine learning through virtual AI tables in databases using SQL. What is Docker? Docker is a software that you can use to build, test, and deploy applications quickly. Docker packages your software into standardized units called containers, which are isolated from all other processes on the host machine. With Docker, users can package applications as portable container images to run in any environment. Let's get started. Step 1. Install Docker. To begin, let's run a test container to make sure Docker is installed. Go ahead and run docker run hello world in your terminal. You should receive the hello from Docker output in your command line. If you don't get the hello from Docker output, visit Docker's Get Started documentation at the link below, where you can download and install Docker for multiple platforms. Make sure to select the right operating system for you, then click on the compatible file and wait for it to download. Now that we've confirmed the install, let's move on to step 2, start MindsDB. Head to your command line or Docker Desktop's built-in terminal and run the command below. If this is your first time starting MindsDB with Docker, it may take a while to download. Let's break down the command while we wait. Docker run is a native Docker command used to start a container. -p 47334:47334 gives port 47334 permission to access the MindsDB GUI and HTTP API. -p 47335:47335 gives port 47335 access to the MindsDB MySQL API. The -MindsDB at the end of the command is the container we want to start. Once you start seeing the pull complete and API starting messages in your output, it means the MindsDB container has started running and you are now actually able to access the MindsDB GUI right in your browser. Use the host number followed by the default port number to access the GUI. It's displayed here at the bottom of the screen. If you want to override the default configuration, you can do so with the command displayed here at the bottom of the screen. Whichever configuration you choose, you can now power up the MindsDB GUI right from your browser and use it to connect to data sources, upload datasets, as well as create and train your very own predictor models. Thank you for following along with this video. If you experience any issues related to MKL or your training process does not complete, visit the link here to find the MKL Service Force Intel environment variable. If you want to follow a tutorial or learn more about MindsDB, visit the docs.